Stop trying. A short identity shift to become unstoppable. Look, if you're listening to this right now, you already know something is off. Not in the world, but in how you're showing up in it. Because part of you is trying too hard, and another part of you is tired of trying it all. So for the next few minutes, don't try to fix that. And instead, I want you to do something simple. Close your eyes if you can. And imagine yourself one step ahead of where you are right now. Not perfect, not finished, just clear, more certain, and more you. See this clearly in your mind's eye. See yourself as though you've already accomplished what you've been chasing. Not in a fantasy way, but in a familiar way, like it belongs to you. Notice how you move. Notice how you think. There's no rushing you anymore. No proving. No chasing. Just a steady kind of presence. Like you know where you are. Even when things aren't perfect. Feel that in your mind for a second. Don't just think it. Feel it as a certainty. Now come back for a moment. Because here's what most people miss. The problem was never the goal. It was the identity trying to reach it. That voice that says, what if I fail? What if I'm not ready? What if this doesn't work? Don't fight that voice, but don't follow it either. Just recognize it. That's not truth. That's fear, that's conditioning, that's repetition, nothing more. So listen closely. You are not that voice. You are the one noticing it. And there's a gap there, a space. And in that space, you are still here. Steady, aware, present. Nothing about you is broken in that space. Nothing about you is behind. Just breathe into that slowly. I want you to feel something and imagine this in your mind's eye. This is not motivation, not hype, just recognition. They're the version of you that doesn't debate with fear. See that version clearly in your mind. The version that doesn't wait to feel ready. The version that doesn't negotiate with doubt. The version that just moves. Even small, not ready, uncertain, but it definitely moves. In that moment is who they are. So say this internally. Not as hope, but as truth. I move. I move even when I'm uncertain. I don't wait to feel ready. I move. Again, I don't wait to feel ready. I move. Now let that repeat inside of you. Not as just words, but as directions. Now in your mind's eye, see yourself again. But deeper this time. With the same goal, same life, but different you. You are not overwhelmed by it anymore. You are not negotiating with it. You're just in motion. Consistent, calm, unstoppable in a quiet way. And here's the truth most people miss. Nothing out there changed first. You did. You stopped trying to become someone and started acting like who you already are. So let this sink in and land hard with you now. You are not becoming someone new. You are removing hesitation from who you already are and moving forward. When doubt shows up in your mind, when fear shows up in your mind, you don't argue with it. You don't freeze. You don't stop. You return to action. Not loudly, not dramatically, just steady. Just you. Take a breath in. And when you open your eyes, don't think about changing everything. Just notice the next thing you do. And do that. That's it.